Today I'm gonna walk you through on how to see your Snapchat password if you forgot it. If you think that this video is gonna be helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the end without skipping any part. Now, if you have forgotten the password of your Snapchat, you can see the password if you have saved it on Google Passwords Manager. You can first open up your Gmail, and now from here tap on your profile icon on the top right and tap on manage your Google account. Now from here on the top you can swipe left and head over to security. From here you can scroll down, and under signing in with other sites you'll have an option of password manager. If you tap on it, now it's gonna show you all the passwords that you've saved on your Google account. If there are a lot of accounts that you have saved, you can simply tap on this search bar right here and then search for Snapchat. If your password is saved, you can simply tap on this eye icon right here and the password will be revealed. So that's how you can see your Snapchat password if you forgot it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today, and I'll be back with more.